Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast essentials to find the ultimate companion for your morning routine, the best toaster. Whether you're a toast connoisseur or simply seeking the perfect golden crunch, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 Long Slot 4-Slice Toaster, a game changer for breakfast enthusiasts. This sleek stainless steel and black toaster is not just a countertop staple, it's a morning ritual upgrade. With its extra-wide slots, accommodating everything from bagels to waffles is a breeze. But it's not just about size, it's about versatility. With 6 toast settings, including reheat and defrost functions, you have total control over your toast destiny. And let's not forget the built-in warming rack, perfect for keeping those croissants or pastries toasty while you finish prepping. With its sleek design and multifunctionality, the Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 is more than just a toaster, it's your breakfast sous chef, elevating your morning routine to a whole new level. Number 2. Black Plus Decker 2-Slice Toaster, T2569B. This sleek toaster not only looks great on the countertop but also delivers excellent performance. With extra-wide slots, it accommodates various bread sizes and shapes, perfect for bagels or artisanal loaves. The 6 shade settings ensure you get your toast just the way you like it, from lightly golden to perfectly crispy. At 850 watts, it toasts efficiently and evenly every time. I appreciate the convenient crumb tray, which makes cleanup a breeze, and the cancel button comes in handy when you need to stop the toasting process midway. Overall, the Black Plus Decker 2-Slice Toaster, T2569B, combines style, functionality, and ease of use, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Mueller Ultra Toast Full Stainless Steel Toaster 2-Slice, a powerhouse in the world of toasting. With its sleek stainless steel design, this toaster not only looks elegant but also delivers on performance. Its long extra-wide slots accommodate various types of bread, ensuring a perfect toast every time. The removable tray makes cleanup a breeze, while the cancel/defrost/reheat functions add versatility to your toasting experience. With 6 browning levels to choose from, controlled through the convenient LED display, you have complete control over your toast's crispiness. Whether you prefer a light golden hue or a deep, crunchy finish, the Mueller Ultra Toast has you covered. Say goodbye to inconsistent toasting and hello to breakfast perfection with the Mueller Ultra Toast Full Stainless Steel Toaster 2-Slice. Number 4. Bella Stainless Steel 2-Slice Toaster, the ultimate breakfast companion for busy mornings or leisurely brunches. With its sleek stainless steel design, this toaster effortlessly elevates your kitchen aesthetics. The extra-wide slots accommodate various bread sizes, from thin slices to hearty bagels and waffles, ensuring a perfect toast every time. Its 6 browning options cater to individual preferences, while the convenient auto shut-off and reheat function add convenience to your routine. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the removable crumb tray, keeping your countertop tidy. Whether you crave crispy toast or a warm bagel, the Bella Toaster delivers consistent results with every use. Elevate your breakfast experience with the Bella Stainless Steel 2-Slice Toaster. Number 5. SEDEE Toaster 2-Slice, a game changer in the realm of breakfast appliances. With its sleek stainless steel design and a vibrant color LCD display, this toaster adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen. But it's not just about looks. The 7 bread shade settings ensure you get your toast just the way you like it, while the 1.4 wide slots accommodate a variety of bread types. Need to defrost or reheat? No problem, as this toaster comes equipped with convenient functions for both. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable crumb tray. Powered by 900W, the SEDEE Toaster 2-slice is efficient and reliable, promising perfectly toasted bread every time. Say goodbye to soggy or burnt toast. With SEDEE, breakfast perfection is just a button away. In conclusion, finding the best toaster for your needs involves considering factors like functionality, design, and price. Whether you prefer a classic toaster or one with advanced features, there's an option out there to elevate your breakfast routine. We've explored various models to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for joining us on this journey to find the perfect toaster. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful reviews, and remember to like and share this video with friends and family. Happy toasting!